I'm going to show you how to opt out of Meta AI using your content on Instagram. So they're rolling out a new feature with image creation where users and different people can use your content to create new content. So what we can do is go ahead and turn these features off by just a couple settings in our Instagram. So go to Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner here, and then go to the bars at the top right corner. So from here, to turn these features off, all you have to do is scroll down until you find where it says how others can interact with you, and you want to focus on the sharing and reuse area. So once this loads up, there's a couple things that we need to turn off here. The first things we need to turn off is where it says allow people to create with and reuse your content. You want to go ahead and toggle off your posts and reels. And then below that, you want to go ahead and turn this off as well, where it says allow people to create with and reuse your original audio on Meta AI. So go ahead and turn these features off, and that's it. From this point forward, it will not be able to allow people or content creators or Meta AI to use your content to create new things. So from this point forward, it should be okay. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to turn these features off so that Meta AI is not reusing your